welcome back to my channel. Recently I have gone through a program to convert the binary to decimal or decimal to binary. For that, while converting binary numbers to decimal, we want the user to provide only binary numbers, right? So we have to check if the given number is binary or not. Today we shall write a program to check a number is binary or not. Okay? Without any delay, let us jump into our PyCharm. I am on my PyCharm now. Firstly, let us give a binary number. I am taking it to be bind is equals to, I myself want to give a certain number 1. Okay. Now let us check if this is binary or not. Firstly, to check if a number is binary or not, we have to check if that number contains only 0 and 1 or if it contains any other extra digits. Okay. Now let us define a set S is equals to 0, 1. Okay. Now I am also converting the binary number into a set. Okay, is equals to, firstly I'll give the set function. I'm also providing the int function here because I'm also providing the string function here because our given value is an integer, but we cannot convert an integer into a set, right? So I'm also defining the numbers 0 and 1 within my set also to be strings to check if they are present in my binary number or not. Okay, now I'm giving the condition if when underscore set is equals to S or when underscore set is equals to 0 or when underscore set is equals to 1. Here we are defining, just a minute. Yeah, here we are defining a if condition to check if the set of all our binary digits is contained in S or they are all zeros or they are all ones. We all know that binary numbers can contain only 0 or only 1 and can also contain 0 and 1, right? Now I'll print when is a binary number. Yeah, now I'll run my program. Do not worry if you don't know about binary numbers. I'll throw them about in my description box given below. Okay. Yeah, it is a binary number as it contains all 1 and 0s. Now what if I change this number to 2? Run binary or not? Yeah, it has not returned any output as we have not given any else condition here. I'll provide an else condition for accuracy. When is not a binary number. Okay. Yeah, now I'll run my program. Yeah, 10002 is not a binary number. In this way you can check if a number is binary or not. What we have done here is, first of all, we have defined a number and declared the value of the number, and secondly we have defined a set containing 0 and 1, and the third step is to convert the binary number into a set, and finally we have checked if it is a binary number or not by checking the set of digits of binary number are present in S or are zeros or are ones. Okay, this is a program to check if a number is binary or not. Okay, that's all for today.